對安省好多居民生活嘅環境可以話十分舒適。冬天時候可以喺 Blue Mountain 或其他地方滑雪，而夏天就可以喺有湖嘅地方釣魚，或者去到一間度假村屋享受下人生嘅樂趣。咁其實喺加拿大多個省之中，安大略省好多時被稱為一個理想嘅度假勝地。單睇下村屋每年下租用率，可以知道呢個度假市場係十分活躍嘅。咁行內指出，安省嘅度假行業實在係相當有利可圖。單遊艇市場潛力唔細，不如就睇睇遊艇市場近期嘅動態。安省好多時被稱為度假嘅勝地，喺25萬個湖邊附近興建咗大約50萬間度假屋。對好多度假嘅人，安省嘅夏日其實好似世外桃源一樣。喺咁優美環境底下，安省度假嘅遊艇市場潛力相當大。
It's cottage country. Canadians are, especially people in Ontario with all the lakes we have, very enthusiastic about getting away from the city into the country. And that's the best part about it. But as far as the number, it's approximately 500,000 cottages on the water. And then you have all of the other rural properties that are off the water, but they have access to the water, and it's a very lucrative market.
對中意玩遊艇嘅人，一項遊艇度假屋展覽帶嚟唔少嘅吸引。行內人話，由於一般遊艇嘅售價近期下跌關係，市場求量可能會繼而上升嘅。喺美加自由貿易影響底下，一部小型遊艇嘅價錢平均係下跌咗20%左右嘅。行內人話，雖然經濟唔好，但由於價錢平咗，中等收入嘅人都能夠負擔買得起一部小型遊艇嘅。
I personally think it's a plus. It's a plus with the auto industry, and of course, with a lot of boats being manufactured in the United States, it's a plus for the boating industry too. A boat that you bought in 1989 compared to this year, you're down. You could buy a boat at 20% less cost.
另外，加拿大遊艇協會資料顯示，因為美加自由貿易，一隻美國入口遊艇海關稅每年會下降1.5%。但目前海關稅仍高達10.2%。當加上兌換率及運輸各費用，喺安省購買遊艇可能仲划算嘅。協會負責人亦話，一隻全新加拿大製造嘅遊艇價錢喺 GST 生效後亦有輕微嘅下降，好似汽車一樣，以往嘅13.5% 聯邦銷售稅已被7% GST 取替咗。加上經濟不景氣嘅影響，目前可能係買遊艇嘅好時機。
If you're looking at a cottage boat, you're looking at something 14 feet to 20 feet. The market varies from full package, boat, motor, trailer, for anywhere from $8,000 up to whatever you want. The luxuries are there. You can buy a 20-foot boat for $35,000 if you want.
買一隻遊艇同買車一樣，係要揾地方停泊。船泊設備同服務有好多類，但行內指出，最實際嘅可能係租用所謂 Marina 套裝停泊服務啦。大部分 Marina 以年租計算，普遍嚟講，遠離市區嘅郊外設備租金會平好多。平均租費通常係大約2100元左右，括過冬前各項儲存措施嘅服務。目前安省郊區湖邊地帶可見400多間公司提供呢類船泊嘅服務。
About cottage country, you have such good marinas up there that they'll take care of you at a reasonable cost. They'll winterize it, store it, and that's all covered for you. And that's the best way. Leave it with a good marina, and it's taken care of, and the costs are not excessive at all.
由於價錢嘅問題，玩遊艇始終對好多人係一種豪華嘅享受。但對負擔唔成問題嘅人，安省各間遊艇會的確提供一流設備及服務。當然，除咗數萬元入會費及年費之外，船泊服務全部另計，但會員亦享有折舊優待。目前一間遊艇會入會費平均達到2萬元，而年費係1600元左右。但事實上，入會開支點都平過買一間度假屋嘅經費。不過，行內人話喺地產市道下降嘅時候，郊區度假屋嘅價值實在係十分吸引嘅。
But of course, real estate prices in the rural is down as far as cottage country and basic rural properties, but also in Toronto too. But of course, the rural properties started at a lower market, so the values are there.
普遍嚟講，一般人認為只有富有人家先會有資格成為遊艇會會員，但行內話呢種睇法其實係一個錯覺。資料顯示，只有20%多倫多皇家遊艇會會員係度假屋嘅業主。另一方面，對未能夠負擔買度假屋或入會嘅人，租用嘅途徑係一個實際嘅選擇。尼高話：湖邊大廈嘅度假屋租用市場係越見蓬勃嘅。
Rental is a big thing. You have a lot of your condominium-style waterfront situations, which are on a lease basis, that people buy them and then they lease them out. That happens quite a bit.
究竟玩遊艇係唔係富有人家嘅樂趣，可能係見仁見智嘅事。但肯定，假如生活喺南安省，一流嘅海上設備及優美嘅環境，幾時都係家庭一種嘅好享受。對整個度假及遊艇業，安省幾時都係佔優勢。
It's not a luxury. If you have waterfront property, you want to have a boat on it. You want the thing about cottages, they don't just own one boat. They own probably 3 or 4. They have one for water skiing. They have a small one for fishing. Pontoon boat for, instead of a raft of the old days, a wooden raft you used to swim out to. Now you can swim out to a pontoon boat, and then you can take it for a ride. So it's good. It's come along well.
行內指出，接近退休嘅人士有陣時會考慮投資喺一隻中型嘅遊艇，因為比買屋仲有利。特別喺價錢下跌嘅時候，供一隻全新嘅遊艇分分鐘會平過供一間靚嘅 condo。咁當然要睇下你有幾活躍啦。中意玩遊艇嘅人可能會覺得比較划算。我哋休息一陣。